We are riding Utah. One of the places I haven't really rode a lot. We got clear skies, the snow is as good as it's ever been, and an empty parking lot on a Bluebird Tuesday. There's not a truck in sight. Stay tuned, we're gonna get rowdy today. You're not using a trailer, this is pretty mint setup. Just slide your passenger seat all the way forward. You got nice and dry back here, all your gear, it's heated. It's not bad at all. Oh, here we go, it's gonna be cold. Well, we made it up the long bumpy trail. Still got blue skies. The snow is sick. It's gonna be a rad day. Hey, that was nice! That didn't work. Woo! Should we go join him? Man, it is a gorgeous day today. Couldn't ask for better conditions. Woo! Backing her out. Sometimes that's what you gotta do when you sink her. Wheeling over, maybe. Yep. Oh. Little rooster tail, huh? Oh yeah. That was nice. What do you have to say about your overall performance?
Ooh, probably about a 69% of what someone should be able to do, but You know, still passing grade.
D's get degrees.
I'll take it.
Oh boy, that lip's not quite steep enough. What you gonna do? You probably just wheelie right over backwards. Or do that. You should just pull her back around.
I didn't think I could have.
Oh, you could have.
Well, now I know that.
Yeah.
But now it's a little too late for that.
That's alright. She'll go, I think.
What's that?
If anything, just wheelie it over if you don't go forward. Just give her full beans and pull back, and then we can just roll it over if we have to.
What's that?
Just give her full beans and wheelie it over, and then if we have to, we can just roll it.
Alright, get ready to dig me out if I die.
I will. Yeah, boy! That's how it's done! Holy shit, dude. It got sucked up in my tunnel.
Oh no! The shot looks incredible!
That's good, I'm glad. You know what? I think I'm fine. I'm just being a pussy. Oh, I just needed to go another 10 feet. I should have just bailed.
Yeah.